Digital vision board is what you should have on your phone in 2025. This is very important because you see it oftenly, you see it every time, you see it everywhere you go. We get distracted easily and do some things that are not really important when you have important things to do. But with digital vision board, you'll be able to stay on track and do the needful. So let's get right into the video. All you need to create this vision board is just your smartphone, Google, and Canva. These are the 3 basic things you need to create this vision board. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button right away, join this community, and like this video too to tell YouTube we are doing a great job here. And don't forget to drop your comments. That is very important. Share this video with your friends. We have to stay focused this 2025. So let's get right into the video. You can as well create this on your smartphone because I created mine on my smartphone. On your mobile phone, you can go to Play Store to download the app, or you go directly to their website. What you have to do basically is to head over to Canva to create your vision board. So as you can see on my screen, this is Canva, and what you have to do is to type vision board. I've done mine before now. So you type vision board, and when you type vision board, you're going to get a whole lot of templates, different templates, beautiful. Look at this. This is beautiful. These are nice. This is my own vision board. This particular one is my vision board. But then you are going to see different templates, different beautiful templates that you can use to create your own vision board. So basically, there's something I have to talk about. If your vision is a long-term vision, if it is like a very long-term vision, you want to make sure that you don't add it to your vision for the year. This is what I'm talking about. If you want to become a medical doctor, you're not going to add that to your vision, but becoming a medical doctor will take you 7 years, right? So you're not going to add that to your vision of the year. You get what I'm trying to say? Another thing I want you to know is that when you're putting your vision together, your vision board together, you want to set it based on priority. You get that? You want to make it to be based on priority. It shouldn't be like just prioritize it. Prioritize it. What is more important? Let it come first. Do you get? So that is that about that. I love it simple. Your vision can be as small as just 5. 5 is not bad. 5 is nice. It can be as small as let's go ahead to use this. I love this. So it can be as, it can be 5, it can be 4, it can be, my is just 9. So it can be 8, it can be 10. Just make sure it is something that you are going to achieve, within 2025. And, having it on your screen, looking at it every time, we move you closer to your vision. Trust me, because you're seeing it every damn time. So the first thing you want to do is let us just delete this template first. Delete all these images first. Let's go ahead to delete the images, delete them, delete everything as long as it's not part of your vision. You get that? So delete them, delete everything. Then when you're done deleting your vision, the vision on the template you want to use, then you can go ahead to add your own vision. Okay, so that is that about that. Then when you're done deleting them, then the next thing you want to do, this is the name. And as well, write your name on your vision board. My name is Becky, B-E-C-K-Y. Then let's add our own images. So don't forget, I said part of my vision for 2025 is to build, to hear more from God. And one of the ways I can do that is to read the scripture, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image. And I'm going to head over to my template to paste it. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Paste. So I can drag it, drag the image, then drag it in here. So I just have to edit this to hear more from God. I'm not going to put reading Bible because the image already tell me that I want to read Bible. The image is telling me that already. So I'm just going to add hear from God. Let me add hear from God. Hear from God. From God. Yeah. So that is that. So you can do well to reduce the font. So just minus. So you can reduce your font, you can increase your font. Hear from God. Then another vision that I have for 2025 is to monetize my YouTube. I want to monetize my YouTube. So hit the subscribe button right away. If you're not in this community, join this beautiful community. Support me by subscribing. So what I want to do now is, I want to monetize my YouTube channel in 2025. So it's part of my vision. So I'm going to add that. Oh God, I'm not able to drag this. So what I'm going to do basically is that I'm going to, what's this? So I'm going to reduce the size. I hope you can see my screen clearly. I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size to the size of the frame. Then and as well increase it here. Then I said I want to monetize my YouTube, right? So I'm going to write monetization. monetization. So seeing this will make me remember everything I want to be doing. It should be towards, putting out content on YouTube and, growing my account. So that is that about that. And another goal that I have, another vision that I have for 2025 is to work more on my TikTok. You get that? Like I want to grow my TikTok. Okay, I've grown my TikTok account actually, but I want more engagement. Yes, that's what I want on my YouTube, on my TikTok. So I'm going to head over to YouTube. I'm going to head over to Google to search for TikTok and look at this. I love this image so much. So this is the one I use in my vision board. Vision board. So what I'm going to do right now is to copy the image, then head over to my vision board. Then I'm going to paste it. It's that simple. So when I paste it, I can as well drag it in. So what I want to do, don't forget I said I want engagement for my TikTok. So I'm going to add engagement, like engagement. I want more engagement this year. I want to work hard on my TikTok, and you can as well follow me on TikTok at blazing_Becky. So that is that about that on my TikTok. Then another vision that I have for 2025 is that I want to grow my LinkedIn account. Like I've never searched for a job on LinkedIn. Actually, I'm not even looking for a job, but then I actually want to grow. Like currently on LinkedIn, what I have. Okay, let me do it there. Yeah, what I have on LinkedIn right now is the kind of engagement I have on LinkedIn. I want to I have within 40 to 120. That's kind of comments I have on LinkedIn right now. You get, and I want to grow that. So I want to have more comments on LinkedIn, and you get that. So because of that, I'm going to be adding it to my vision board. So I'm going to reduce the font. Then I'm going to have it over here. So what I'm going to do here is that, don't forget I said, and one thing I also use my LinkedIn to do, I also use my LinkedIn for documentation. I'm an agronomist in making, so I had my journey, so LinkedIn, I want to use it for documentation. And also this year I also want to be collaborating. Yes, with my LinkedIn, I also want to be collaborating on LinkedIn. So documentation for my LinkedIn, and I also want collaboration, but I don't have everything definitely. So I'm going to be reducing the font size, documentation for my LinkedIn, then documentation for LinkedIn, and another vision board that another vision I have this year. Okay, I'm currently on a 6-month training. So I just add that to it because I'm not graduating this year, of course, but then I'm currently on a 6-month training. I'm on my high T, then I'm doing another training. I'm going to be certified in 6 months time. So because of that, I added agriculture, I added a picture of, talking about agriculture in my vision board. So because I'm going to be NDD, so I'm going to be ending the training within 6 months. So I added it. Like it's happening this year, right? Okay, and I'm getting a lot. So I'm going to be adding this inside my vision board, and I'm going to be writing knowledge. I'm going to be writing knowledge because I'm getting a lot of knowledge here. So knowledge, yeah, that's what I'm going to have here. And also, I'm into digital marketing, and this year I want to learn not learn analytics, Google Analytics, like analytics more. So I'm going to add in my digital marketing. So I'm going to head over to Google again and search for digital marketing. So I'm going to look for a picture that resonates with me, a picture that I love. I don't like all this picture, honestly. I don't like them, but I'm going to look for the one that is fair, that's attractive to me, and I also talk about what I want to be learning. Okay, I think this particular one is demonstrating what I want to be learning, but not the way I want it. So just keep scrolling, look for the image you love, image that's you get what I'm saying, right? So let's keep looking. Make sure you look for what you love. Okay, you get that? Look for what you fine. This is beautiful. I love this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this image, then I'm going to go here and paste it. I'm going to paste my. This is I said it's that you have to make sure that it is based on priority, right? Okay, so you need to drag this. You need to drag this inside here. Beautiful. Then I'm going to be adding digital marketing, and don't forget, I'm into digital marketing before now, but then I want to learn more on analytics because I actually want to have collaboration with companies outside Nigeria. So that's why I want to learn Google Analytics and other analytics. So I'm going to be writing analytics. If you notice this, analytics. If you notice this, I'm not just writing. I'm not just writing digital marketing and agriculture. No, I'm writing what I want to achieve, or what you understand what I'm trying to say. So ensure you make your own to be similar to this too. So if your goal in 2025 is to get married, go ahead to Google and add marriage, add couple picture in wedding gown. You get that? So you're gonna add that. I think I love this. So copy the image and go ahead to paste it, paste and put it. But my vision for 2025 is not to get married, so I'm not gonna be hiding it here. But you understand what I'm trying to say. And another thing that I did not add is that, okay, my vision for 2024 is also to make a lot of money. So this is your vision board. Easy, super easy. Make it happen. So it is very simple. So when you have your vision board, it will enable you to, you see it every time. When you look at your phone, you see your vision board. When you look at your screen, you see your vision board. When you want to play game, you see your vision board right on your phone. Make your vision board beautiful and use it as your screensaver or your lock screen, anyhow, where you'll be seeing it every damn time. Put it on your screen, because when you want to receive call, or you won't see it when you want to receive call, but then you're going to be seeing your vision board often and often. You see it everywhere. So the next thing right now is to download this image. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think we are done. So the next thing right now is to share this image. Here's the share button. Okay, so you're going to share. Just click on share to download. Then when you download it, make sure you have it in JPEG. Okay, this is PNG. Have it in JPEG so that you can be able to, use it on your mobile phone, and go ahead to download it. It is that simple. It is super easy. It is fast. So this 2025, you have to achieve your goals, and part of how you can achieve it is when you have a vision board. And don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, okay? It doesn't mean when you have a vision board, you're going to what's it called? When you have a vision board, you're going to achieve your goal automatically. No, you have to put in the work. You have to be well organized. You have to organize yourself. You have to look into yourself. You get what I'm trying to say, right? So that is that about that. So this is what we just do right now, and look at how beautiful this is looking. Look at it. It's loading. So look at it. Look at what we have. This is nice. So just go ahead to use it as a screensaver. So this 2025, we must stay focused together. We must make money. We must grow together. And thank you for watching to the end. I'm very excited. And I'll also be sharing educational videos like these and updates on how you can earn money online. Hit the subscribe button right away so that you won't miss out all these amazing things. The way you can support my channel is to like this video. Let me know when exactly you'll be creating your own vision board in the comment section. And kindly share this video with your friends. We have to grow together and stay focused together this year. And one of the ways we can do that is to have a vision board. Thank you so much for watching to the end once again. See you in my next video. Bye.